मम्मी मैं रामपुर आ गया।
I never thought I'd feel like this. Yeah. I'm spending my time in love like I should. No more struggling, I'm all good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this.
हाँ भैया, ladies and gentlemen, your bro is here. Enjoy the video.
Feel like this. I never thought I'd feel like this.
Look at this guy. Hello.
मेरी दोस्त का गाड़ी गया ना वहाँ।
मोमो उनके साथ में है भाई। उनका मूड भी ठीक नहीं लग रहा था मुझे, इसलिए हम ज़्यादा पास नहीं गए। चंपक रफू रवाना, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग। अभी पीछे हमें मोमो मंकी दीदी मंकी मिले थे। मामा जी से मिले आप, मामा जी।
Feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like this.
मामा जी लंच कर रहे हैं भाई, मामा जी को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे। मजाक से हट के एक बात बोलनी है भाई, खुदा की कसम जो गर्मी हो रही है ना यहाँ पे भाई, आप ऋषिकेश से नहीं हो, पंखा फ्रिज बर्फ़ एसी जो मिले लेके आना। बाद में कोई बोलेगा नहीं भाई ने बताया नहीं था। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज़ रियल यार, क्या गर्मी हो रही है यार। सामने से गोरा हंस रहा है, थोड़ा पागल हो गया।
I never thought I'd feel like this. Yeah.
देखो भाई, भगवान झूठ ना बुलाए। सामने से एक फ़ोन आ रही है, टाइम आ गया बताने का कि भाई ज़िया, मतलब आपका भाई।
Feel like this.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I say hi? The camera is on. So I'm a vlogger. I know this is weird. I'm a YouTuber. I am a YouTuber. What do you do?
Me? Nothing. I'm just traveling.
Nothing. Traveling is fun.
Traveling is
Traveling is fun. Which country are you from?
Italy.
Italy. Italy, from Italy.
Yeah.
कुछ भी
Yeah.
Listen.
From Italy.
Like if you are comfortable, we can like carry on the conversation, or I'll switch off the camera.
No, it's okay. No, you can do it. Yeah.
I don't know why. Whenever I just like start shooting a vlog with a phone,
Yeah.
people are staring at me.
Because they're like, what is he doing already?
So like first time in Rishikesh,
No, third time.
I'm just third time. So you like India so much
I love India so much. Yes.
that you're visiting it again and again and again.
Again and again. 8 months actually.
Okay. What made you visit India? Like
I don't know. I just left my country. I left my job. My dream was Indonesia, but as soon as I arrived in India, I fell in love. So I still didn't visit Indonesia, and I'm.
wait, you have something. This is something in your.
What?
Yeah, it was.
was. Oh, that is
You
a
can thank me
sign.
later. Yeah, that is the sign that you met the right guy.
अबे साले तभी मेरा माफ करना, गुस्से में इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ।
So.
No, I'm not hitting on you. So I was saying, okay, it's in Indonesia, okay?
Yeah.
उसको
No, my
Indonesia.
dream was Indonesia, but now my dream and my life belongs to India.
India.
Yeah.
तो उसको इंडोनेशिया ट्रैवल करना था। इसकी फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन इंडोनेशिया थी, बट थी लेकिन she
I was
landed.
like, what happened? Like, what is she saying? Are you talking in Hindi?
Yeah. Actually, I had to explain it in
Yeah,
Hindi as well,
sure.
because not everybody on
Sure.
YouTube can understand English.
Yeah, I know.
But anyways, so what do you do in Italy? Like,
I have no job.
no job.
What do I do? I have no job.
Ah.
No.
And how long are you here?
In India?
Mm-hmm.
In total, 9 months. I came to India just because of, I don't know, I thought to start my travel in India. So I had no particular connection with India. 9-10 months.
Can you just hold this for a second?
Yes.
Now you are the vlogger.
Yes.
I'm holding the goggles. How am I looking?
Very nice.
Level.
Look at that.
And you look really good while holding the camera. Now meet the cameraman. So tell me, what did you like about India, like particularly? What did you like about it? Culture?
Culture, food, people,
Food, like, but the food is really spicy. Like, how come?
It depends. It depends. In some places it's more spicy, like in Punjab, Rajasthan, maybe it's more spicy.
But
Here there are many foreigners, so they don't put too much spice, but it's okay. I don't know, it's just a feeling. I cannot
India is a
express.
feeling.
Yeah,
India is a feeling actually.
it is.
Did
I
you
don't
tell
know
them your
many-
name? Did you tell them your name?
Anna.
Anna. It's not Anna. It's
Anna.
Anna Malai
Anna.
from Italy.
Anna.
What's my name?
Wait, Saurabh.
Ah, my memory. You know, I'm really bad with names.
Same, but there is one guy living in my place and his name is Saurabh. So that's
मुझे लगता है भाई 99% लोगों के नाम इंडिया में सौरभ ही है. मुझे जो भी मिलता है बोलते हैं यार मेरे फ्रेंड है, मेरा भाई है सौरभ. Have you been to Dehradun, my city?
yeah, I've been to Dehradun last year, but to be honest, there's nothing to do. Like, it's a good place to connect.
और मेरे सिटी की
to-
बेइज्जती कर रही है.
It's a good place to connect to places, but there's nothing to do in Dehradun.
See, if you compare Dehradun with Rishikesh, then the vibe is totally different. Obviously,
Yeah.
Dehradun की अपनी vibe है Rishikesh की, but the place is good. Like, obviously, it's like too much crowd and traffic as compared to Rishikesh.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
No, but I'm talking like, I don't know, I was there, but there was nothing actually to see. I don't know. But even walking, say, okay, I go out and walk a little bit. I don't know.
How to defend my city, Dehradun? Now she's saying there was nothing special to see. See, people.
No, I didn't like, in my point of view, I didn't like it a lot. That's it.
Obviously, because you landed in Rishikesh first. See, both these guys. Now I'm shooting the vlog, and they're gonna keep watch us. Because it's really weird when I shoot a vlog with a phone, and then guys are like, "Who is this guy?" Obviously, I'm from
What is he doing?
Asian origin. Jai Shri Ram. So you are just like saying my city is like an absolute waste for you.
No, not waste. No
Next
waste.
time when you visit, let me tell you one thing.
Okay.
Next time when you visit Dehradun, call me.
Uh,
I'll be like, picking you up and then I'll show you the places which you
yeah,
have never
maybe
been.
I didn't
That's
see
what I'm
the
saying.
places.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because होता है obviously when अगर आप किसी नई जगह जाओ और आपको पता ही नहीं है कहाँ घूमना है तो वो जगह आपको अच्छी लग ही नहीं सकती. Foreigners are quite familiar to Rishikesh, I guess, as compared to Dehradun, I guess.
I don't know, I'm not coming
They
here.
just land in Jolly Grant Airport. All they know about Dehradun is Jolly Grant Airport, I guess.
No, I didn't land in Dehradun.
Okay. So,
I came by road in
By road.
Rishikesh.
By road.
I wanted to come in Rishikesh.
okay.
I don't like here because there are too many foreigners and I'm more into
You need to
local
tell
life.
my viewers one thing, okay?
Ah.
Tell them, did I force you to shoot this video? Like,
Yes.
wow, amazing.
No.
So I first asked you, right?
No.
I didn't force you, right?
You didn't.
And are you enjoying the video, the conversation? Okay. I need to ask this question because then people come here and judge you. Oh, he's harassing the phone. Oh, he's pushing the...
No.
So how was the approach altogether?
You were nice.
It was flirty and obviously I was nice. Thank you so much.
You were nice.
And you were nice as well. And I appreciate, I always appreciate when somebody gives me, their precious time, because time is the most important thing.
Sure. This-
People meet different people and then they have different experiences. Sometimes the experiences are good
Yes.
and then sometimes the experiences are bad.
Yes.
Whomever I meet, I want them to understand that like there are civil people and there are people who can respect your space,
Yes.
who can give you, the proper respect.
Sure.
So that, because they say the first impression is the last impression. And if you meet the bad guy and the first impression is bad, it's gonna be an everlasting bad impression.
Sure.
So India is the feeling and we love it.
Yes, I cannot express what I like about India. It's just a feeling.
Do you want to give any message to the people from other countries like or Italy or from any other country who want to visit India? Like if they have any doubts in them?
Before meeting you, I cannot show you because it's in Italian, but I just wrote my sister that to plan to come in India. So guys, come in India.
No, like it should not be like I am pushing you to say something to foreigners. It's just
I
like
just
genuine
told
feeling.
you before meeting you. I was on my phone, right, when you saw me, and she was. So yeah, guys, come.
Come,
Yeah.
visit.
Yeah.
and people have a lot of concerns regarding security and the food and the culture. Like, how comfortable did you find your visit?
It's not. You need to be very flexible, and because it's completely different.
Very different.
Yeah.
Okay, the Anna got a boyfriend. और भाई हम आए हैं दिलों से दिलों को मिलाने. So, do you have any message to your boyfriend if he in case he ever watch the video? First, the very first question is gonna ask.
I love you. What should I say?
I'm gonna edit this. Okay?
Wait a second, because if you edit, yes, what am I getting ready for?
Your sister?
No. This is the lady I have to meet.
Is here upstairs? I know the place.
Yeah, here.
I'm always kidding, guys.
We were knowing each other.
Look at the beauty of this place. So full of nature. Tell me. Okay. You love dogs, right?
Yeah,
भाई को सुसु करने.
he's following us.
He's following us. Tell me one thing. Why are you so cute? Even he is.
Be careful to cows, because I love cows, but
Yeah, sometimes.
Look what happened.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Because of cow,
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
Cow.
they were fighting. They
गाय
were
माता ने दी
fighting.
थी.
Huh?
Yeah, okay, she kicked you.
No, they were fighting to each other, and then I didn't move, and so one cow got scared about these two cows fighting, and she ran away. But by running, she accidentally hit me.
Okay, so भाई तभी बोलते किसी के लफड़े में फालतू टांग नहीं देनी चाहिए. Just stay away from the mess, the chaos.
It's here.
But okay, so अभी Anna अपने destination पे पहुंच गई है. I want to thank. Show me how good you look while wearing the goggle. So she was confused. She was confused actually while she should wear the goggle. Okay, Anna, I hope we meet again. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much to you for giving me your time, because I know you're getting late. I hope you enjoyed the conversation, and I hope we meet again.
Okay, now
Thank-
I go to a video. Why you are doing a video?
So now, like, you're shooting this for your Instagram?
Yeah.
So Anna is shooting a video for her Instagram. Hello, Italy. Saurav here. Thank you so much. I don't have any chocolate. मैं तुम्हें देता आपको. ठीक है? Next time.
Thank you so much. You too.
How do you say hello in English?
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. And how do you say bye?
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you so much. I hope we meet again. Take care, Anna. Bye. Bye. So ये थी हमारी Anna from Italy, and वो एक चीज़ बोल रही थी which I didn't like actually. People have made this yoga thing a business here. So देखो यही चीज़ मैं कह रहा हूँ कि through my vlogs I want to understand what exactly they feel about India. Not just good things, bad things, whatever they like or dislike about India. So जो चीज़ों से अच्छी लगी होती खाना, यहाँ का culture, as you were saying, India is a feeling. I really like that. Thank you so much, Anna. So ये था एक छोटा सा vlog भाई. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. आजा बेटा. आप सोच रहे होंगे ये गली का कोई लैंडी कुत्ता है, लेकिन ये वही कुत्ता है भाई जो जब मैं ऐना से बात कर रहा था तो हमारे साथ आ रहा था. अभी भी भाई साहब हमारे साथ हैं. Thank you so much for watching, and Anna. Ciao, ciao.